All right, I'm going to show you how to swap the zipper sliders, because we typically use these duals. They're made by YKK, so they're a little bit better quality than the ones that come on our nice waterproof zippers. Are kind of garbage. We have these tabs come off sometimes. So I have found that the easiest place to do it is on this end that has these little tabs, because the other end has got stops. The only way you can do this end is if you cut it and then you have to kind of manually get it on there. It's a little bit of a pain. So what you do is, if you look at it, one of these has got a little stop. It's this one right here. The other one's just straight and narrow. So what I usually will do is I take that one there that's got it's got kind of a square end, and I cut it like that. And now you can pull these off. I'm going to do both of them. And then you put this on, but you got to look at the side, because let me see if I get this to focus. My camera's kind of not wanting to focus on this, but yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's a little bit taller on the top versus the bottom. And your teeth need to go pointing up because it's taller. If you look inside there, you can kind of see. All right, so the teeth need to be pointing up. So you want to observe which side is taller, thicker, which is going to be this top side. So on the zipper, the teeth are on the fabric side, not the smooth side. So fabric side up, teeth pointing up, tall part pointing up, and then we're going to slide this in. You need to kind of make sure that that these things are going to align and not be off. So kind of figure out. That means that this one that we didn't cut is probably going to go in first. And the other one's going to go in. And then we'll zip it. And we'll kind of look at it and see, it's off. So we want to pull that back. And then see if I can kind of pull. Looks like it's still off. You don't want it to be skewed, so. Okay, that looks right. Okay, so you get that one on, and now I don't actually have a second slider with me, but you could go ahead and do the next one. You just make sure when you're doing it, you also look at the zipper. There's a narrow side, which is this side, and then there's the wide side. So the wide side is what you put in first if the zipper is not together. The wide side basically combines it, and then the zipper comes out together on the narrow side. So the next one you'd put the narrow side on first, because then it would separate them. So basically the zippers would go together where their narrow sides touch right here. And this other second zipper, the wide side would be pointing that way, and this one, the wide side is pointed that way. So that's it.